We want the area trapped between the curve y equals x squared and the x-axis from x equals 0 to x equals 2. First, picture the graph. The parabola starts at the origin, curves upward, and passes through points like 1, 1 and 2, 4. We only care about the shaded region underneath the curve between those two vertical boundaries. Now, if this were a straight line, we could probably use a triangle or rectangle formula, but the top edge is curved, so ordinary geometry gets messy. That's why we use integration. The big idea is that integration adds up infinitely many tiny rectangles. Each rectangle has a tiny width called dx, and its height comes from the function x squared. So one tiny rectangle has area approximately x squared times dx. Add all those tiny areas together, and we get the exact area under the curve. So we write, area equals the integral from 0 to 2 of x squared dx. Every part of this notation matters. The integral symbol means sum up. The x squared gives the rectangle heights. The dx represents tiny widths, and the numbers 0 and 2 are the left and right boundaries. Because x squared stays above the x-axis on this interval, every rectangle has positive height, so the area will be positive. Now let's compute it. The antiderivative of x squared is x cubed over 3, so